Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2013 Mathematics Past Question 39. Evaluates integral of sine x dx having a function of pi over 2 and 0. Now, integrating this will give us, we have pi over 2, 0, sine x dx. Now, the integral function of sine x is equals to minus cos x. So this will give us minus cos x. Now the function pi over 2 and 0. So from this expression, that means this is equals to minus cos. Now pi over 2 simply means 180 over 2, which is 90. So minus cos 90, then minus cos 0. Now minus cos 90 will give us 0, and then minus cos 0 will give us what? So minus cos 0 will give us minus 1. So this is equals to 0 minus times minus will give us plus 1. That is equals to 1, which is option C. Thank you, and ensure subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.